Hey guys, it's Dr. Shane here with Premier Chiropractic and Rehab. This week what we're going to be talking about is the popping or cracking sound heard during the chiropractic adjustment. Now first things first, there's nothing breaking or cracking during the adjustment. That certainly wouldn't be beneficial to the patient. When in fact, what that sound is actually gases being released from the joint. And those gases are 80% carbon dioxide. I tell my patients you're watching too many Jackie Chan movies, because first things first, the chiropractic adjustment is very comfortable and also very safe. Don't forget to check us out at PremierChiropracticandRehab.com.